I'm going to show you how I took these trades, the strategy that you can also use. Very simple, very easy, guys. I don't know why we choose to make things difficult. Let's start right here on the whiteboard, okay? And I said this in my previous video talking about strategy. It's just that this one is specifically for mobile traders, okay? So on an uptrend on the daily time frame, this is the daily time frame. On an uptrend, you have to wait for price to be at a trend line, okay? Like here, price is at a trend line, price is at a trend line, price is at a trend line. Those are your buying places, okay? Those are the places where you look to find buy setups, okay, on the daily time frame. Maybe let me just show you right here. This is the hourly time frame. Let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, let's draw our trend line right there. Okay, so you could have started looking for buy entries maybe from here and there. You could have started looking for buy entries. But then what are the entry rules? That is where you switch to a smaller time frame. Okay, in this case you go to the hourly time frame. This you can do, guys, and find a lot of good trades. When you get to the hourly time frame, in fact this is a late entry for me because I started entering trades right here. I'm also going to show you another important thing of how to enter multiple trades like this. If you are to enter multiple trades, you don't just enter them at the same time. I'll show you the procedure for that. So where were we? Okay, when you get to the hourly time frame, what you do is this. Let me just zoom in a little bit. Very important candlestick patterns, the bullish engulfing patterns. So right here you have a very beautiful bullish engulfing candle right there. At the closure of that candle, you could have entered your first buy entries, and you also have another one right there, that one. At the closure of that one, you could have entered more entries, or if you saw the signal late, you could have started entering trades there, okay? But then when I saw this, it was already late. It had come to this level, but then I thought it wasn't so late because if you go to the daily time frame, it is still around the trend line, okay? It is still around the trend line, which means it's not so late. So basically there is what you can do to find the entries. Just make sure that price on the daily time frame is at a supporting trend line. Same thing for the sell entries, just the opposite. Price must be on a downtrend and price must be at a trend line, which means from here you can start looking for your sell entries there, look for sell entries there, just like that. It's not hard, guys. Okay, it keeps pushing up. See the profits rolling in. Now let me show you how to enter multiple trades like this, a very important topic. Let's say price is on an uptrend, or let's just say you find your entry right there, okay? You place your trade right there and you are hoping that price is going to shoot up, okay? You are hoping that price is going to shoot up. You put your stop loss right at this point. What you do is this, right at the arrow, right here at the arrow, you don't go in with 10 trades first time. You don't do that. You're going to have a lot of losing trades if you do that. The best thing to do is this, right there when you enter the trades, you can start with 2 trades or 3 trades, okay? 2 to 3 trades. Remember your stop loss is here, okay? and you know what the forex market does. It can move into profits and you start celebrating, and then it pulls back. Once you see price pulling back right in the middle between your stop loss and your entry point, you can enter 4 more trades. Okay, you keep the same stop loss. You keep the same stop loss. All your trades have the same stop loss. The reason for this is because these 4 trades are closer to your stop loss. So even if all the trades come to hit your stop loss, you are going to have less risk, okay, or you are going to lose less. Okay, let's say price keeps pushing towards your stop loss. Right there, closest to your stop loss, you can put as much trades as possible. Okay, right there, just few pips towards your stop loss. If you lose those trades, you're going to lose very less because it's very close to your stop loss. But if price will happen to pull back right close to your stop loss and take you back into profits, you're going to be in deep profits, believe me. So you are risking less to gain more. That is basically how I enter multiple trades. And another important thing, this works best if you focus on only one signal. Okay, it's going to be much easier to do this focusing only on one signal. If you have 3 different pairs running or even 5 different pairs running, it's going to be difficult for you to observe if that pair is closest to your stop loss or where. So if you say you're going to be doing this, make sure that you focus only on one signal. That is what I do. Like in this case, of course, I had several trades or several signals for the day, but I closed every other signal that I thought was disturbing. For some, I even closed them in small loss just to focus on this one. So if I have this one only, I am able to fully focus on it, on its behavior. So that is the advice that I can give you. If you want to do this strategy, just make sure that you are focusing only on one signal. Okay, only on one signal. This is not hard, guys. This is not hard. Just practice it for yourself. You will succeed, believe me. You will succeed. You will not depend on people for signals or what. You will manage to grow your account. I wish you the best as you do this. Thank you.